All right, what's going on, guys? Today's main job, we got both cars on jack stands. This one, of course, because it doesn't have the subframe, and this one just got a little bit of maintenance work to do to it. This car was making a noise pretty much since I bought it. That was pretty nasty, and it's actually got the power steering pump howling now, so I went ahead, purchased a power steering pump. I got a friend that's on the way with it, and we're gonna change that out. As you can see, the leak is pretty bad. I topped this off a few days ago and now it's empty. Before, it would only leak to a certain level and that was it, but now this is really bad. So this is gonna get changed. And as for why you see the hood on the Supra, I did get around to getting ahead on the ABS delete of this car, since a friend lent me this flared wrench. I have one brake line stuck in the right rear that seems to be kind of stripped. Let's see if this one right here, no matter what I do, this does not want to come off. Even with the flared wrench, didn't really have any success. So just went ahead, used this, took advantage, cracked every line I could loose to prevent any chance of stripping them, even if I had used regular wrenches before and it had worked. But yeah, I cracked all those for the ABS loose, and then cracked all these loose for the proportioning valve. Just did this to get ahead and make life a little easier for when I do get around to that job. But for today, this is our main focus. I'm gonna start taking everything apart. I had a friend purchase it for me at an Advance Auto. He's on the way with it. I'll go ahead and show you guys what the noise is like real quick. Just gonna start it up. I disconnected the ground but went ahead and placed it again to demonstrate. It's pretty goddamn bad. So yeah, as you guys see, that's the noise we're getting. It was a little worse because this was coming loose. I had forgotten I started this right before. But it's pretty bad. I'm gonna finish loosening this up. Get the belt off. Oh, that's got to go to the next pump. I got to get that off too. There we go. That's off. The last one right there. There we go. All right, old one's out. Oh shit, that's fucking, oh, that is fucking nice. I wish I had that. Brand fucking new. Pretty good. This thing, goddamn. Oh, that's the top. And then this one, oh, that's for the, well, it's not here anymore, but, oh, we got to get that off for the hose. No. There we go. That shit nice. There we go. Nice. Right, I can probably pull through to put on the... What, you're gonna try it from up here, the whole thing? Damn, you got finesse, son.
Oh, that's in. Too much.
No, it's not holding.
Okay, no. it is.
It is? Yeah, there we go.
Oh shit.
There we go. Nice. Alright, and then that one's gonna be 13. And you won't give it by hand, but... Yep. Holy fuck, you give it more? Yeesh.
That's it? Is this on that?
Yeah, yeah, just gotta put
shit.
this.
Oh, it's fucking cameras.
Yeah, for real. I took it apart in like 5 minutes after you parked here. That's a 10, and then this one... why is it not threading now?
Too short?
It's the same one I
have another one.
You think? Well, let's see if it worked. Yes, dude. Finally shut up. Alright guys, so first drive with the power steering pump installed. Figured I'm hitting the gym tonight, so just gonna give it the first test drive there, and so far the car feels great, a lot smoother. And also the engine doesn't sound like absolute dog shit anymore. Everything sounds good. So car is pretty damn good now. I got no complaints. Gotta turn my music down, of course. I kind of just have it in the background, but I want to get copyright, so of course I can't have it loud. That's right, you can just throw this thing, man. Turning overall though, way smoother now. Steering wheel's a lot lighter, car's a lot more responsive. It feels great. But we could definitely consider this to be a success. Car's driving super smooth. No annoying sounds anymore coming from the left front that almost sounded like a freaking rod knock. I figured it wasn't a knock, obviously, but it did sound terrible. Sometimes sounded more concerning than it should be. No, the car's feeling super good right now. Steering, everything real smooth. Feels nice. Honestly, I got no complaints, so we could definitely call the power steering pump replacement a complete success. Everything's completely fine, no more weird noises, steering smoother, so we're fine. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for some more content on this car, obviously the Supra, and other cars as well. Of course, we're more focused on the street cars here, the faster street cars, but that doesn't mean we don't have our fun with some other things like this on this channel. So Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this and a lot more stuff to come. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.